Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. This vacuum has garnered some attention for its innovative features and design, so let's see how it stacks up in real-world use. Let's kick things off with the first impressions. Straight out of the box, the Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro impresses with its sleek green and black design. It comes neatly packed with all its components well organized, though the excessive plastic packaging might be a downside for some environmentally conscious users. The vacuum itself feels well built and ergonomic. It's designed to be versatile, with features like a detachable handheld mode and an extendable tube that allows for easy reach into tight spots. Now, let's talk about the performance. The V9 Pro boasts a suction power of up to 35 kPa, which sounds promising on paper. In practical terms, it performs admirably on hardwood floors, tiles, and low-pile carpets. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for quick cleanups around the house. However, where it falls short is in deeper carpet cleaning. Despite the decent suction power, it struggles to pick up dirt in one pass on thicker carpets, often requiring multiple sweeps to achieve a satisfactory result. Battery life is always a crucial factor in cordless vacuums. The Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro offers up to 45 minutes of runtime in Eco mode, which is sufficient for cleaning smaller areas in one go. However, when switched to Max mode for tougher jobs, the battery drains significantly faster, reducing the cleaning time to around 20 minutes. Charging the vacuum takes approximately 4 hours, which is standard for many cordless models. One area where the V9 Pro shines is in its features and accessories. It comes with a HEPA filter for capturing allergens, and the dust bin is easy to empty with just the push of a button. The inclusion of a wall mount rack for storage is a thoughtful addition, although it could be more integrated with the charging setup. In terms of competition, models like the Eureka NEC 180 and Proscenic P12 offer comparable performance at slightly lower price points, while premium options like the Shark Detect Pro provide enhanced features for a higher cost. To wrap it up, let's recap the pros and cons of the Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro. Overall, the Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro is a solid choice for those looking for a versatile and affordable cordless vacuum. It excels in ease of use and design innovation but falls short when it comes to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. If you have mostly hard floors and are looking for a lightweight, user-friendly vacuum, this could be a great fit for your home. That wraps up our review of the Vactidy Blitz V9 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.